Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail for a post which has a video included in the post. So first let's navigate to the site. Now if you're making a post which has a video, what we like to do is we like to have the thumbnail showing this little green and white icon in the middle that indicates to the user that this post has a video and just gives them that information. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the GreenPlug site and download this little icon, which we're going to embed into the thumbnail image. And that icon can be found if you scroll to the very bottom of the site. You'll see here in the footer section a page called Author Assets. So you can click there and that will navigate you to a page. There's going to be more content, video tutorials and that sort of thing here in future. And you'll see here the second paragraph says video button for use on thumbnail images here. Okay, so we'll click that link and that shows us the image. Now all we do is we right click and we do save image as. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll navigate to the folder where you are storing your assets for the article that you're creating. And in that case, we've got our little demo article here called Chasing Ice Demo Article Assets. Video button 75. Okay, we're just going to click Save. All right. So now we have saved that button. All right. So then we will just navigate to that folder. So we're already there, and you can see the video button is there. You can see in one of the previous tutorials we created a thumb which has this glacier, and you notice that it is the right size, 185 by 185. So now we're going to create a new thumb which also has the video button embedded on the thumbnail. So what we'll do, we could start with this one, or we could start with the raw image, which you see is larger. We'll just go ahead and start with this larger image. We'll run through that again. Okay, so we'll open with Adobe Photoshop. You may be using a different application for image processing. I'm using Photoshop. Your workflow may be slightly different, but you'll get the general idea. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and select the crop tool, which is here. We've already got the settings for 185 by 185, so we'll go ahead and create the crop that we want. Okay, that looks okay. I'm going to move this main feature of the image off to the side because the video button will go mainly here in the center. Alright, so we'll crop the image like so. Now you see we've got our thumbnail. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here. Okay, maybe again. Alright, so there's our image. Now the command we want to use is File, Place, which is here. That's going to allow us to place the video icon on top of this image. Okay, so we'll navigate to the folder which has the video button. There it is. You can see the preview here, and we're just going to click place. Okay, now the button is placed. It's quite too large. All we need to do is resize that. So first, in this section of the Photoshop, we're going to lock the width and the height so that the proportion stays the same as we resize. So I'm going to click this. Okay, that's now got width and height locked so that the aspect ratio stays the same. And now I'm just going to change this width to 75 pixels, 75 space px. All right, and then we hit enter, and now we've placed the video icon on top of the 185 by 185 thumbnail. Last step is very simple: File, Save for Web and Devices, which creates the 72 pixel image. You'll notice it's only about 5 kilobytes. It's quite small. We'll click Save, and now we will just name it so we know. So we'll take this name, 185 Chasing Ice Thumb, and we'll put the word video in here so that we know this is the thumbnail for the video. Okay, save. Now we navigate back to the folder where we have the assets, and we can click on the file we just created. You can see the preview, and there is the image.